In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your channel name, channel icon, and channel banner for your YouTube channel on your iPad or iPhone. So, of course, using the YouTube app itself, there is some sort of limited functionality in terms of customizing your channel, but there are some things that you can do, and it is very useful for those who are basically running their online presence directly from their devices. So what you're gonna do is gonna click into the YouTube app on your iPad or your iPhone, and then you're going to click on your profile picture in the top right hand corner, and you're gonna see a pop-up come up, and then you're gonna click on your YouTube channel icon again, and this will take you to your account settings, and you'll see underneath that where you can edit your channel. Once you click on that, it will take you to the channel settings page, and from here you'll be able to edit your channel banner and your channel icon or your profile picture, and you will see a little camera icon on these two areas and sections. Once you click on those, you can browse from photos that you already have saved to your camera roll, and you can make these photos in Canva, which is a free app that you can download and make a lot of different images and content for social media, and they already have the dimensions specified for all the different social media platforms. So once you go in, you can get the dimensions for a YouTube banner, and you can use the logo as the dimensions for your profile picture or your channel icon. So once you do those two things, then all it comes down to is changing the channel name. So you can change your channel name, I believe it will let you know, because these things may tend to change, but it will let you know how often you can change your channel name. But there is a restriction on that, so be wary and make sure that you spell your name correctly, so you don't have to go through the hassle of waiting to change it after a few couple of months, right? And here you can also edit your description if you choose to. However, I already have a detailed video on how you can go about writing your about section for your channel, so you can check it out. I will link it somewhere in the description, and I will also put it on the end screen. And the last thing that you may want to do is customize your channel URL. However, what you need to do in order to gain that customization or that setting is you would have to gain 100 subscribers, and then you'd be able to have a custom URL. So if you don't have 100 subscribers as yet, I suggest you watch the video coming up next, and if you do, the other video that will be popping up on your screen will show you how to customize your channel URL so that everything is well branded across all your social media platforms.